Are you tired of your sales pipeline not matching your actual process? You know the feeling. You're tracking deals in a system that just doesn't fit how you actually sell. Leads get lost, stages don't make sense, and you're constantly trying to force your workflow into a generic template. Let's fix that right now. I'll show you exactly how to build a custom sales pipeline in Pipedrive from scratch in under 5 minutes. We'll create a new pipeline, add stages that match your real sales steps, and start tracking deals the way your business actually works. Let's dive in.
So first things first, open up Pipedrive and log in. You're going to see that familiar dashboard. Now, look over on the left-hand sidebar and click on Deals. This is your main deal tracking hub, and it's where we're going to do all the work. Give the page a moment to load. It usually comes up fast. Now, glance up towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu that likely says something like Sales Pipeline. Right next to that drop-down, there's a tiny pencil icon. Click that pencil. This is where the magic happens.
From the menu that appears, select the option to create a new pipeline. And here's the really important part. Give your pipeline a meaningful name. Don't just call it Pipeline 2. Think about what your sales process actually looks like. Maybe you're a service-based business, so you'd call it Service Sales. Or maybe you sell products, so Product Funnel makes more sense. Take 10 seconds and type in something that your whole team will recognize instantly. All right, now we're getting to the heart of this custom pipeline, the stages. This is where you map out the exact steps your deals go through from start to finish. Maybe for you, it's first contact, discovery call, proposal sent, negotiation, and finally, closed won. Or maybe your process is different, and that is totally okay. Add each stage one by one. And here is a pro tip I've learned from building dozens of these. Keep your stages broad enough to be useful, but specific enough that you know exactly where each deal stands. Don't overcomplicate it. Once you have your stages listed, you need to arrange them in the right order. The order matters because Pipedrive uses it to calculate your sales velocity and forecast. So drag and drop them so your earliest stage is at the top and your final stage is at the bottom. Now, this next step is optional, but I highly recommend it. For each stage, you can set a probability. This tells Pipedrive how likely a deal at that stage is to actually close. A lead in first contact might be only 10%. A deal in negotiation might be closer to 70 or 80%. This helps your pipeline forecast become incredibly accurate over time. Set these percentages to match your own experience. When you're happy with everything, click the Save button. That's it. Your custom pipeline is now alive. Go back to the Deals page. Now, click that pipeline dropdown we used earlier. You should see your brand new pipeline listed there. Select it. The page refreshes to show you an empty pipeline, ready for action. Click the plus sign or the button that says Add Deal or Plus Deal. Fill in the deal name, the value, and who it's with. Then hit Save. Your first deal is in the pipeline. Now, watch this. As that deal moves forward in real life, you simply drag it from one stage to the next. First contact moves to discovery call. Discovery call moves to proposal sent. Every time you move a deal, update the notes, add a task, or change the value. This keeps your pipeline alive and useful. And here is the best piece of advice I can give you. Review and update this pipeline regularly. I'm talking every week, if not every day. A sales pipeline is not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. It's a living system. Spend 10 minutes each morning moving deals, updating probabilities, and cleaning out stale opportunities. That small habit will transform your sales process from messy and chaotic to organized and predictable. And that is how you build a custom sales pipeline in Pipedrive that actually works for you. No more forcing your process into a template. No more lost deals. Just a clean, clear view of your sales from start to finish. Thanks for hanging out with me. Now go build that pipeline.